Imagine a world where your thoughts and words have the power to shape reality. This isn't just a fantasy, it's the essence of how we interact with the universe around us. In our first section, we dive into the universe's unique language, a silent yet profound dialogue between us and the cosmic energies. This isn't about complex rituals or obscure terms, it's about the simplicity of being heard and understood by the vastness that surrounds us. We'll uncover the basics of clear communication with this vast entity and introduce the law of attraction, a principle that suggests our thoughts and feelings can influence our experiences. This section isn't just an introduction, it's the first step in realizing that we're always in conversation with the universe, and learning its language can transform how we live, dream, and achieve our desires. Moving forward, it's crucial to realize that knowing what you want is the first step in making any dream a reality. It's like going on a trip without a map if you don't have a clear destination in mind. Our next focus is on setting clear intentions. This is where you get to define your desires, not just as fleeting thoughts, but as powerful intentions that the universe can respond to. Think of it as placing an order with the universe. The clearer you are, the easier it is for the universe to deliver what you're asking for. We'll explore simple yet effective techniques to help you articulate your desires clearly and powerfully. It's about moving beyond just wishing for something to happen, to being specific and deliberate about what you want your future to hold. This clarity is what sets the stage for the universe to start working in your favor, turning your thoughts and dreams into your reality. After setting our intentions clearly, the next natural step is to learn how to effectively ask the universe for what we desire. It's not just about saying what we want out loud, it's about doing so with a genuine heart and a clear mind. This part of the process is about building a bridge between our inner desires and the external world. When we ask with sincerity and clarity, we open ourselves up to receiving. But asking is only half the equation. The other half is about letting go and trusting the universe to work its magic. This doesn't mean we sit back and do nothing. Instead, we take aligned actions while maintaining an open heart and mind, ready to receive the opportunities that come our way. It's a delicate balance of desire and detachment, where we state our wishes while freeing them into the universe to manifest in their own perfect time and way. Now that we've learned how to set our intentions and ask the universe for what we want, it's time to tune in and notice the signs and symbols the universe sends back to us. These are like breadcrumbs on our path, guiding us and showing us we're on the right track. The universe might use numbers we keep seeing, animals that cross our paths, or even random objects that seem to appear just when we need them. But it's not just about seeing these signs. It's about understanding what they mean for us. This part of our journey is about becoming detectives in our own lives, piecing together the clues the universe gives us. We'll explore how to spot these signs and, more importantly, how to interpret them in a way that aligns with our desires and intentions. It's a dialogue, a back-and-forth conversation with the universe, where we ask, we receive, and then we understand, moving closer to our goals with each step. As we continue on our path, we encounter the fascinating concept of synchronicities and coincidences, moments that seem too meaningful to be mere accidents. These are the universe's way of giving us a nod, confirming we're moving in the right direction or offering us guidance when we're at a crossroads. But noticing these synchronicities requires us to be present and attentive to the world around us. It's about being open to the unexpected and finding the connection between seemingly unrelated events. Through real-life stories and examples, we'll see how these moments of alignment can offer profound insights and guide us toward our goals. Recognizing and interpreting these signs in our daily lives isn't just about acknowledging their existence. It's about understanding their relevance to our journey and how they can lead us closer to fulfilling our deepest desires. After understanding the signs and embracing the synchronicities, we arrive at a crucial aspect of our journey: the importance of patience and timing. Instant gratification might work in the fast-paced world around us, but when it comes to the deeper workings of the universe, time takes on a different dimension. Here, we learn the value of patience as a virtue in manifesting our desires. It's about trusting that everything will come to fruition at the right time, not just our time. This segment helps us understand that the universe's timing is impeccable, even when it doesn't align with our immediate expectations. It's a reminder that some things are worth the wait, and that the most fulfilling achievements often come to those who can navigate the space between setting intentions and seeing them manifest in their lives with grace and trust in the timing of the universe. Moving forward, we focus on the essence of cultivating a positive mindset. It's not just about seeing the glass as half full, it's about understanding that our thoughts and attitudes shape our reality. Every thought we have sends out a vibration into the universe, attracting similar energy back to us. This segment dives into practical techniques to maintain a positive outlook, from simple daily affirmations to the powerful act of expressing gratitude. We'll explore how these practices not only shift our internal state, but also how they can transform our external world. It's about laying the groundwork for a life filled with positive experiences, one thought at a time. This is where we truly begin to see how our inner world creates our outer world, and how by nurturing positive thoughts, we can start to see positive changes unfold in our lives. Building on the foundation of a positive mindset, we venture into the realm of surrounding ourselves with positivity. It's about recognizing how our environment and the people in it significantly impact our energy and, ultimately, our capacity to manifest our desires. This part of our journey emphasizes the importance of consciously choosing our surroundings and fostering relationships that uplift and support us. It's not just about avoiding negativity, but actively seeking out and nurturing connections that resonate with our aspirations and encourage our growth. Here, we delve into practical ways to create a supportive network, from cultivating meaningful friendships to creating spaces that reflect and enhance our positive energy. This step is about enveloping ourselves in an atmosphere that mirrors the positive changes we wish to see in our lives, thereby accelerating our path to realizing our dreams. After surrounding ourselves with a positive environment and supportive people, the next crucial step is to turn inward and harness the power of meditation and mindfulness. This part of our journey is about creating a deep, personal connection with the universe. Meditation serves as a direct line to the universe, allowing us to tune out the noise of everyday life and tune into the profound silence where true wisdom lies. Through regular meditation, we can achieve a state of mind that is receptive to the universe's guidance, opening ourselves to insights and inspirations that we might otherwise miss. Mindfulness, on the other hand, keeps us grounded in the present moment, ensuring that we are fully engaged with life and open to the signs and signals the universe sends our way. Together, meditation and mindfulness not only enhance our receptivity to the universe, but also deepen our understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmic tapestry. In our final step, we confront and overcome the obstacles and negative patterns that can hinder our progress. Recognizing these barriers is the first step toward removing them. Whether it's doubts that cloud our minds or old habits that no longer serve us, this part of the journey is about healing and forgiveness. By addressing these challenges, we clear the path for our desires to manifest more freely. It's a process of inner cleansing that allows us to align more closely with the universe's abundant flow. And as we conclude this journey, remember, every step you've taken has brought you closer to realizing your dreams. If you found value in this guide to communicating with the universe, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into creating the life you desire. Your support helps us share more content like this. Thank you for being a part of our community.